Introduction to exception handling. Exception handling is an important concept in Java that allows you to handle and manage errors or exceptional conditions that may occur during program execution. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to handle exceptions effectively. Try-catch blocks. The try-catch block is used to handle exceptions in Java. Inside the try block, you write the code that may potentially throw an exception. And inside the catch block, you handle the exception. In this example, we'll handle a potential arithmetic exception. Multiple catch blocks. You can have multiple catch blocks to handle different types of exceptions. In this example, we'll handle both arithmetic exception and null pointer exception. Finally block. The finally block is optional and is used to execute code regardless of whether an exception occurs or not. This block is typically used for cleanup operations or releasing resources. In this example, we'll include a finally block. Throwing exceptions. In addition to handling exceptions, you can also explicitly throw exceptions using the throw keyword. This is useful when you want to create custom exceptions or propagate exceptions. Here's an example. Custom exceptions. Java allows you to define your own custom exceptions by extending the exception class or one of its subclasses. This can be useful when you want to create specific exception types for your application. Here's an example of a custom exception. Finally, with return statement. The finally block can also be used in conjunction with the return statement. In this example, we'll use a finally block to ensure a resource is properly closed, even if an exception is thrown. Nested try-catch blocks. You can nest try-catch blocks to handle exceptions at different levels. This allows for more granular exception handling. Here's an example of nested try-catch blocks. Checked and unchecked exceptions. In Java, exceptions are categorized as checked exceptions or unchecked exceptions. Checked exceptions are those that need to be declared in the method signature or handled explicitly. Unchecked exceptions, on the other hand, do not need to be declared or caught. It's important to understand the difference between the two. Exception handling is a crucial aspect of Java programming to ensure robust and reliable applications. By using try-catch blocks, finally blocks, understanding how to throw and handle exceptions, and differentiating between checked and unchecked exceptions, you can effectively manage errors and exceptional conditions in your Java programs. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to support the creation of more content like this.